learning to read with Happy Bird. Hello. The short story we're going to read today is Bird and Colors, and we're going to team read the story together. When Happy Bird flies over a word like this, I will read it out, and when Happy Bird flies under a word like this, you will read it out. It's going to be so much fun. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is Happy Bird. What color is Happy Bird? Happy Bird is red. This is a dog. What color is the dog? The dog is yellow. This is a bird. What color is the bird? The bird is blue. This is a cat. What color is the cat? The cat is black. This is a sheep. What color is the sheep? The sheep is white. The end. Did you enjoy team reading? So did Happy Bird. This short story is based on the book The Missing Nuts by Happy Books. It's very easy to read, the pictures are full of colors, and you can learn new words at the end. Check the link below the video to learn more. Let's learn some of the words we read in the story. Remember, when Happy Bird flies over a word like this, I will read it out, and when Happy Bird flies under a word like this, you will read it out. Are you ready? Let's start. Blue, red, yellow is the. This. What? It's time to go. Watch out for more videos on this channel. Goodbye.